I'd like to see you guys wake up every morning at 6 a.m. and put fake eyelashes on your eyeballs and then wear 4-inch stilettos all day. What's up guys? Day 2 of Fashion Week. Me and Selva are at it again. So I came into the office with this like gold and white hijab. But before I went in, I went to the garment district to go find myself a yellow hijab because we don't sell a yellow chiffon.
And then next thing I know, I see yellow threading and Melanie's ripping fabric.
And Selva was like, do you want to look like a crayon? Or... And then she said, wait, we should walk. And then she was like, then she called me the yellow Power Ranger, which is perfect because she was the Asian one. High five. Asians for the win.
Melanie pretends the Asian one is most convenient to her.
That's not true. I'm always Asian at every time. What's up, fam? I'm so tired. I don't even know where I'm going right now. I'm going this way. I have to go to a hotel, or the Bowery Hotel for a Like to Know It book launch event. So I was in the book, which is really exciting. So they're gonna have like a launch party and I don't know, we'll see. I'm excited. Man, I'm looking bright, crazy bright. It is a Monday and Selva and I just finished our shoot. I forgot my shoes at home like an idiot. So me and Selva had to go back to our apartment and then just shoot by
our apartment, yes.
Our apartment.
Ours.
And we ate KFC and Taco Bell. So me and Selva went and shot. I am wearing this crazy print on print. Guys, I'm wearing a fanny pack, like it's happening. I'm doing a teaming up with Urban Outfitters and they sent me a bunch of cool stuff. Well, they let me pick out obviously what I wanted. So this is my Urban Outfitters look. All right, we're going back to the office now. So much to do. Yeah, it's Monday, so you know, it's go time.
So what are you doing, Alice? Overachiever.
Secret.
Well, she won't see this. It'll be on the vlog by...
That she watched. This would be good testing.
Yeah.
I'm knitting Nora's new baby a blanket.
Aw, that's so cute.
It's gonna be really cute.
You are definitely an overachiever and being very extra.
I am.
And if Noor doesn't bump you up several friend rungs up, she's making a mistake.
Zell had gotten her this like really cute sparkly baby outfit at ISMA. It's a secret. She doesn't know that. This will go on the vlog later.
Yeah, it won't be on the vlog right away.
Okay. And I had to one up her.
Everybody's competing for Noor's love. What's happening here?
Everyone competes for Nora's love.
Why do you do this to yourself? You look great without any of this stuff.
That's the right thing to say, Anthony.
This is true.
He's well trained. You're well trained. Yeah.
No, ladies, do not do what she does. You're beautiful as you are. You don't need any makeup. Just be happy with who you are. Right? Right, Giselle?
Yes. What day is it? It's Tuesday, obviously. Hello, did you get your new hijab yet today? Did you? We launched a ton of new prints, obviously, every Tuesday, but also there's 4 collector sets and 3 solid chiffons, which are really exciting. So I was wearing this little Abercrombie raincoat. Isn't it cute? Look at the hood. You guys should check this out. Oh my God, I love this coat. It's so cute on her. I love it. Well, she looks like a East Coast preppy.
I know, I look preppy.
Anyway, we're gonna go shoot right now, and then Ahmed and I are off to another investor meeting because that's all we do is speak with investors all day long. We had 3 this morning, and then we have a 4th in person. All right, my hand's gonna fall off. I gotta go.
Does anyone else lick the battery when it gets low?
Right, you heard it here, folks. Heard it first.
I learned that trick when I was like maybe in 2nd grade on the school bus with my Walkman.
So who taught you that licking batteries makes them last longer?
I forget his last name, but Corey, if you're watching, I still remember how you used to eat the Oreos with the inside filling on your braces.
You disgust me.
And then as we're coming back to the office, we bump into him again, this time with a shirt. And he's like, are you guys stalking us? I was like, yeah, I thought from in front of me we're stalking you. Like, how are we stalking you for like crossing paths?
Sandra's stories are so interesting. Nobody ever said.
Said no one ever. Get it?
I'm sorry, I'm a boater.
Yeah, that's exactly like. I feel like we should just like write fob. It's a slow day at the office.
Busy.
Busy. It's a dreadful day outside, and we've all just been doing orders and working on our computer. Yeah. Okay, Alice has a blister on her hand because of boxing. Yeah. Alice is so tough. You guys don't mess with Alice.
My sister and I have been to 5 boxing classes. Wow. Tell them how many burpees we did this week. 50 burpees.
Oh
After
my
we
God.
for a mile and a half. And then it was literally, I've never been so exhausted in my entire life. I thought I was gonna die.
I thought I was gonna die. Nora's back in the office. We're so happy to have Nora back. We've missed you.
Everybody so much, and I've literally only been gone for a week, and then I have to go on maternity leave, and I'm probably gonna die. I can't.
I know, we miss you more. And yes, this is the crisscross in person. Remember you guys last week? She really is more beautiful in it, right, Alice?
Nora looks beautiful in everything.
Okay, you said that already.
But yeah, she looks really good. My bodyguard. You have to just walk around with me. We need to come to a family function. Yes, guys. So get it now. We're gonna restock them soon. Wait, are they sold out yet?
They're not sold out in the ivory.
They're not sold out in this one, so get it before it sells out.
Yes, exactly. Ivory is still available.
It's such a stunning color too. It's so comfortable, honestly. It's so comfortable. I'm loving it. So.
Look at Giselle's face. She's like, you better say that.
Watching.
I'm just happy because we don't have to go shoot today. This is the first, I finally get a freaking break. Fashion Week, this is the last day of Fashion Week. It's over.
I finally get a break from taking pictures.
Shut the hell up, Nora. Shut up.
I get a break.
Yeah. Listen, getting dressed up and going out and taking photos is hard work, okay? They don't understand the struggle
Wait, I'm
of
coming.
dressing up every day.
I boxed all morning. I am tough.
Alice, you boxing, I believe would be easier for you than you walking around in 4-inch heels all day.
Because it encumbers my whole day.
Yes.
For an hour of
Thank you. So now you understand my struggle.
We're different.
No, we're not.
Okay, then we'll do a day in the life. You come boxing with me and I'll work heels all day.
I like a day in the life. I like a day in the life.
Yeah. So
That's a day in the life.
I'll die. I might collapse.
Challenge is extended. Yes. You can choose whether or not to take it.
Yes.
Alice, I might
You know
die.
you have to take challenges.
A day in the
Melanie
life.
cannot not take challenges. She's the most competitive person in the world. You might not know this. But we
Alice,
literally competed
you have to
about who
literally
had the better dentist.
It's on.
It's on. There's
Hold on,
witnesses now.
Ahmed, you
There-
have to get this.
There are witnesses now. You guys can see them shaking hands.
Look me in the eyes.
That's not a
So
Day in the life.
this is how competitive they are.
Wait.
This is going to be fun, you guys.
Look who it is on the screen. It's me. What's happening? So Allie did Allie did this video like interview, and now this plays in every alley. Is that right?
So in other words,
Does it play in every
I have
alley?
to be looking at your face all day long, and at the hang out with you all the time, and then now whenever I'm walking around the office, I see this. How obnoxious. Look at Alice.
This shot again.
This shot again.
Everybody.
Rinse and repeat, y'all.
What are you doing?
Just recording.
This is Ahmed's idea of vlogging. He just puts the camera in someone else's face. Bro, you gotta engage.
So this is kind of a rare moment. Melanie's been busy with New York Fashion Week, and she's gracing her presence today on us to make it to lunch. So we're going to like one of our favorite spots. We're going to someplace called Amish Market where we go and grab a lunch. And these three over here just have poor food preferences during lunch. They always end up like picking off of my food, which is not great. And Melanie, of course, like has at it, you know, eats my food whenever she wants. I'm not complaining here, but just the reality of life, just sharing it. All right, that's it for now.
So I don't know where everyone went. It looks like I'm the only person in the office and we haven't filmed an outro yet, so it's just me. All right, it's been a crazy week, but it's over now, so bye.
Bye.